Tired of grainy video calls and lackluster live streams? Let's transform your Canon Eos 2000d into a high-quality webcam, leaving those stock cameras in the dust. First, grab your Canon Eos 2000d. This powerful camera is about to become your virtual presence powerhouse. Next, head over to the Canon USA website and download the Eos Webcam Utility software. It's your key to unlocking professional video. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install the utility. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. Now, connect your Canon Eos 2000d to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure the camera is powered on and set to movie mode. Finally, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application. In the video settings, select Canon Eos Webcam Utility as your camera source. You'll instantly see the superior image quality, and just like that, you've elevated your virtual presence. Enjoy crystal clear video for all your calls and streams, leaving a lasting professional impression. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more essential tech tips. Elevate your content, elevate your presence.